Mark here, welcome back to the channel. Just thinking barbecue weather. Maybe we should tune the barbecue up. It's heating okay, but I don't know what temperature it's at. There's something wrong with the thermometer indicator. I think it's just loose. Let's take a look. Here's the problem. I think this thing is... I'm going to try and take that off. See if we can fix it. You see it's full of water. If we open it and close it, see the water in there? What do we need here? It doesn't look like anything too hard to take off. Let's take it off, we'll see what we can do with it. Make a little drain hole for the water, that would be a good idea. It's going to be just horrible. What size is this thing? Oh, it's not even tight. It's not tight. Maybe that's the problem. There's a washer in there too. Just give it a little tap. Come on. Just take the washer and the nut here and put them back on us, and I don't lose it. And then we can go inside. Take a look at this. Zoom you in here. See the water in it. You'll just be able to hopefully pry these off. Whoa. Easier said than done, right? It's broken anyway. Well, that's working a little better. Goodness, huh? Should think I should just be able to open it up. Just trying not to open it up too much. No, I guess I'm gonna have to do the other side here too. See what's all in here. Ah. So I see it goes into there a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Needle goes all the way in. So I thought the needle, or at least the windings, would be just right behind it, the actual thermostat part, but it looks like it's way down in the stem. Kind of snags. It does want to work, and then it doesn't. I think it's just broken. It must be. This is broken inside. It grabs and then it doesn't. Look at that, huh? Well, what to do? I thought the needle was spinning on the shaft and it just needed to be tightened. Oh boy. Guess it's not fixable. So here's the new part. Didn't cost a whole lot, I don't know, about 10 bucks Canadian. I brought the lid inside, you could do this outside, but thought just, for video purposes. Take it out of here. Be careful. I hate this kind of packaging. It's so hard to get this stuff out without hurting yourself. The packaging is probably worth more than the item. Boy, it looks a lot bigger than the old one. Oh, maybe just a little bit bigger. The threads. I hope it goes in the hole. Oh, it does go in there. But looks like it's going to sit a little ways away. Well, what are you going to do? Unless I have a big washer. I'm going to get a big washer. Just hoping this is going to make it so that it sits flat along there. It doesn't rock back and forth. Yeah, it's going to work. Just flip it upside down so you can see what I'm doing. You could do this right side up, but just screw that on. It's kind of nice as a thumb screw, kind of nut or whatever you want to call it. Make it tight enough. Make sure, yeah, it looks pretty level. No. It'd be nice to be able to know what the temperature is, or at least close. If it's hot enough, if it's getting a little too hot. Not sure how accurate these are, but oh well. Got to be worth the 10 bucks. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Testing 1, 2, 3. Uncle Mark here. What? Uncle Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Just want to do some barbecuing. Thought I'd get this. So that's gonna do it. Let's take a look. Welcome back to the channel. Uncle Mark here, just wanting to do some barbecuing, and I figured, before Uncle Mark, you're welcome back. Uncle Mark, you're welcome back to the channel. So I guess that's gonna